Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Izingani Isethembu, right? Hey, things are happening there over by Isthembu Sigasibindi. That should be the title. But nonetheless, let us start with the conversation between Usibindi, Uabongwe, Nolwandle, right? When they arrived there, they had different activities to do, right? And Usibindi, Nolwandle, no, Abongwe, they went on barking. Bike what caught biking. Oh, Jesus. They went on a quad biking, right? While they were busy there on quad biking, they were having fun. It was nice. They ended up having conversations about their relationships, right? In the conversation, they brought up indaba ka Abongwe ukuthi siyayizwa indaba yakho ye-content wena Gelings. Every day mawuthi asiphekele my future wife, my wife ukuthi I have to cook so that my wife doesn't have to. Like, I love it. Yeah. Okay, but nonetheless, I'm not reporting here as a fan. So they asked her ukuthi usasekhona na loyo or kwenzakalani? Who's what's happening in the zoo? Who's the new Makoti? Who are you cooking for? And I liked that part, right? And let me tell you why. To me, it showed ukuthi umseleku, and I'm saying umseleku and not mentioning the wives because the wives always say ukuthi lesithembu isithembu sikamusa, and because isithembu sikamusa, umusa huyo ofuna ukuthi abantwana bakhe babe united, babe njani. And I'm also saying this because remember Usibindi wanted a business ayiqale noLwandle, and when they were about to start the business noLwandle, umama kaLwandle influenced uLwandle ukuthi uLwandle lento ayenze ayi-one, kanti it was never his dream alone, it was his dream with his brother. So I do not think ukuthi if Umseleku did not lay the foundation yokuzwana, the mothers would. That's just me. I might be wrong, right? Sharp. And then in that discussion, they mentioned ukuthi they did know the person that Ulwandle Abongwe was dating rather, and because the relationship didn't work out, they want to know who's currently in. Right. And I was like, I love the relationship. I love the siblingship. I love the connection. But also, did you see Uguti Abongwe is actually a smart girl? Abongwe is a smart girl. The conversation was facing in her direction. She was the one that was being questioned. The topic was around her. Girl quickly turned to the topic to Ubani. To uLwandle athi hayi phela asiyekene yami kancane sibrigeni kancane ke no future wife wami ke asizeni la kulo oshayise imoto ayobona intombi. I was like, yes, girl. That is you did it so nicely. That is how we run away from an uncomfortable conversation, and we say we're done with this conversation, we're moving to another one. And she just maneuvered herself and gotten herself out of that conversation so nice and quick. But I love that they are able to transparently speak about their relationships, transparently speak about where they are in life, and just be, I really appreciated that. Then we move to the ladies. The ladies, guys, I was not happy with how Utirelo handled everything. Guys, now I love Utirelo. Utirelo ke motswana wa ko gae, and I feel gore when she first came e le ngwanyana te tlhaloganyang gore o nyaka eng ke la bona e le ngwanyana te bonang gore pila nna ke mo ke tsamaya this line, and then this is what I want. But slowly, she forgot gore this is what she wanted, this is what she was here for. When they were fighting with Uvuyokazi, she said there's no honor in being umamkhulu. She does not understand why Lorna would obsess over being umamkhulu. Being umamkhulu is just a title, and nothing should be concentrated too much in. When girl was saying, no, I was here first, I feel uguti I should be umamkhulu. But now she turns back in the next season, and she now wants to be umamkhulu. And whether she will say, she will come back to us on a TikTok live and said, hey, production made me say it does not matter. You said it. It reflects on you. It reflects on your standards and how you have now changed. Now in the drive, Ugel now is talking as if now she is the sibling to Usibindi and not the girlfriend to Usibindi. Listen to me. Ugel seka interrogator. hey, what do you think about this? Megithi, hey, wena uCherry, awunahuri, awukhonahali shem, awukhonahali. Because you cannot be asking this person as if when you are not part of the relationship, you know. And I like Amahle when she spoke. Amahle spoke ukuthi she gave them exactly what they wanted to say. I'm not certain ukuthi uSibindi uzoyenzani, and I am expecting a disappointment at some point. And Umpilo was judgmental about that statement. Guys, there's nothing nice as being in a relationship and not having expectations. Because now there's nothing that a person can do to disappoint you, because you get in there, you serve, you give, you do what you believe should be done in a relationship. Now, when the moment you start having expectations and uncommunicated expectations at that, you will end up heartbroken. You will end up being frustrated because you will have uncommunicated expectations that might never be met. Right, but I love how Umahle is so far and her silence. Then they also discussed the issue of Ijeke. When they discussed Ijeke, Tirelo now turned and was like low-key on Sne's side, of which I feel low-key Uti Tirelo wants her and Sne to be in good books, because she knows Uguti Usne was very close Novuyokazi. And for me, I don't see why she's pushing it, because now I honestly love the Tiralo that would say, if you want to be in a relationship with me, I will see it ngezenzo zakho genuinely. I'm not going to sort of beg for my recognition in this family, you know. But low key, I feel I'm losing that Tiralo, right? Okay, sharp. She was on the side yaga Sne, and she was like, I am going to tell Umpumelelo, and Umpumelelo must apologize in. Now, in her head, she still has the delusion or the illusion or the illusion, but there's illusion inside. Ya gore Umpumelelo is that guy that still goes to her, that still consults her, that still puts her in a pedestal where they are able to discuss things and see ukuthi how far can we get in this conversation and do things together. Now, when she brought the conversation on the table and she tried to address it, she was dismissed bad. This showed ukuthi she does not have the friendship and the power that she used to have before. That is why I'm saying ukuthi the Tirelo that I once knew would now know, understand, okay, or more aksatsena, and then continue with the relationship and not entertain other things. But I feel like now that she has spent some time with the siblings, she forgets, no, I'm actually not a sibling. I'm actually not here yet to advocate for the relationship between the siblings. But right now, I'm a girlfriend waiting for my mother and my father to now lift up their reservations and allow me to be married to this man, so that now I can have upawo. Because I think ukuthi Amahle at this point, she's the one that is in a position yokuthi ayenze a conflict resolution between the siblings, because umakoti, she's got the best interest at heart of lento leyo, and it's her role, not Utirelo. Utirelo is not married, as we know, as yet, right? But Ugirl made that conversation, brought that conversation to the table. Uspindi did not want to have it. Ke re Sibindi bona ha mo fa le motsotso le monyetla wa hore a bolele. A sa re wa bolela girl ar. A sa re or girl or. O sa or girl or. And she forgets one thing. She used to talk to Usbindi, but in the bedroom, and they would have their resolutions. And when they go to Uvuyokazi, it would be them against Uvuyokazi, and Uvuyokazi would feel like, what's happening right now? Because she did not understand the bond that they had, Lababai too, and the things that they discussed. Now she is like literally losing all the points that she has built up until today, according to what I'm seeing and how I'm evaluating it. But honestly, I love the relationship. I love that abongwe nabo Mpilo and nabo yena lo Usne, they are trying and they are making the relationship work, and they are not saying we used to love Uvuyo because umntana kaVuyo bekahlala lana and therefore we were close to her. They're just saying, you know what, we are going to have a relationship and we're going to make you fit in until such a time that our brother is done with you. And the brother said, I don't want them to have a relationship because angifuni ukuthi choose ama side also. It's as if he's saying, in how I heard it and how I received it. If it does not work out, I don't want to ukuthi basalele emuva ne relationship nomuntu kanti mina angisekho lapho. Why are you even thinking like that? Because this is a woman that you want to marry. And you did say in your diary sessions you don't want to lose umama kasingabakho. I don't know, deny. He just confuses me nje. But yeah, that's what I saw on Uthando. Oh no, Izingani Zestembu, aka Istembu Sigasbindi. Let me know what you saw, what you heard, and what I have missed. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please, I do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.